So in the previous video I showed you how to call buttons and other UI elements that are assigned on Panel Manager using buttons that have button related script attached to them. And in this video I'll show you how to implement some tools for developers. Currently in this version of Framework I only have one testing tool, and that is the one meant for spawning items for test purposes. So you just check enable testing tools under item manager and check spawn items on key, and then you can set a pool size multiplier and spawn items key. So when you press that key, some random items that you assigned in array on item manager will get spawned. And you can also when doing this, just don't forget to mark your project settings either as 2D or 3D under general section on front-end panel manager, or else these items won't get spawned properly. They'll either be too below you, so you won't be able to see them, or too high, or etc. So just make your settings either for 2D or 3D under general settings on front-end panel manager. Once you done that, when I press letter T on my keyboard, as you can see, some items get spawned, some random items, and of course I can collect them, so they are just items like every else. And that's about it. You can restrict an area in which these items are going to get spawned. You can set it to spawn within a radius, spawn on specific points where you can set the transforms of game objects, which represents actually locations on which items will get spawned when you press letter T, and so on. So it's just some functionality meant for developers when they're testing their game, so they can see how their system behaves when they collect certain items. And also in console you'll get some errors and warnings if your pool has run out of items. In that case, just increase the pool size multiplier to some higher value.